Imagine stepping out into the vibrant energy of New York City, feeling perfectly comfortable one moment, then unexpectedly chilly or warm the next. Does that sound familiar, or something you would like to avoid on your exciting trip? The direct answer is a resounding yes. You absolutely should pack layers for a New York trip. Layering your clothing is not just a good idea, it is often an essential strategy for staying comfortable and prepared throughout your visit, no matter the season. New York City's weather is famously unpredictable and can change rapidly, even within a single day. This is due to a combination of factors, including its coastal location, the urban heat island effect, and the swift movement of weather fronts across the northeastern United States. A bright sunny morning can quickly turn into a cool, breezy afternoon, especially if you are near the water or walking through areas with tall buildings that create wind tunnels. Additionally, indoor temperatures vary greatly from brisk air-conditioned museums to warm subway cars. To effectively layer, start with a moisture-wicking base layer, then add an insulating middle layer for warmth, and finally a protective outer layer to shield against wind or light rain. Think about versatile pieces like lightweight long-sleeved shirts, comfortable sweaters or fleece jackets, and a stylish yet practical waterproof or wind-resistant jacket. You can easily add or remove these items as you transition between indoor and outdoor activities, or as the day's temperature fluctuates. One insider tip is to always carry a foldable, packable jacket or a large scarf, even on days that start warm. This small addition can make a huge difference during an unexpected drop in temperature or a breezy ferry ride to the Statue of Liberty. Additionally, remember that public transportation can have vastly different temperatures than the street, so having easily removable layers is key for comfort on the go. By embracing the art of layering, you gain incredible flexibility and ensure your personal comfort throughout your New York adventure. It allows you to confidently navigate the city's diverse environments, from chilly observation decks to sunny park strolls, making your trip much more enjoyable and stress-free.